This is where you're going to spend the majority of your time and is really the main point of your Google Classroom. You can do so many things here and really organize it and personalize it to meet your and your classroom's needs. The first thing that you're going to do is you're going to click Create. And when you click Create, you're going to see several options. You can create an assignment, a quiz assignment, a question, a material, a topic, or you can reuse a post. Just like we reused a post on the stream, you can do the same exact thing with an assignment. You can choose to find an assignment from another class and reuse it here. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to do an assignment. So let's click Assignment. Alright, so we're going to call this assignment Wonderopolis. And we are going to give them some instructions. So we're going to say, go to Wonderopolis Polis and read the article. Then we're going to tell them to open a Google Doc and write a paragraph describing what you learned. Okay, so let's give them the link to Wonderopolis. We will go to Wonderopolis. We're going to triple click, 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 click. Using Command or Control C, we will grab the link and then we will click Add the link and Control or Command V for paste. Then we will have them have the option to create a Google Doc. They will have this option on their end and they will create a Google Doc. Now let's look at the options that we have over here on this side. Now we see that it's for the sample class and right now it's for all students. If we had many students in this classroom, we could differentiate and we could pick and choose which students received this assignment. But I want all students to have this one, so that's what's checked. I can choose if I want it to be for 100 points or 50 points or 37 points. It's whatever I want. I can choose a due date if I wish. And I can even, when I choose my due date, let's say I want it due on Saturday, I can even give it a time. And I can choose a topic. Now, as of right now, I have not created any topics, so it gives me an option. This looks like a reading and writing assignment, so I'm going to create a reading and writing topic. Now, I can also add a rubric if I wanted to. So I could create a rubric, I could reuse a rubric, or I could import one that I have in my Google Sheets. Now, this is something very powerful that Google has added, but for right now, I'm not going to create a rubric to go with such a very small assignment. Now, originality reports, I could check this if I were doing something that was more intensive, like a large report that you would find in a high school setting. This looks more like a very short opinion piece done by an elementary student. An originality report is going to allow Google to search through the student's work to see if they've plagiarized any at all. So this is something that Google has added recently and definitely worth checking out if you are teaching those upper level students. Now I can assign it right away, or I can choose to save my draft and work on it later. discard it if I did a horrible job, or I can schedule it just like I've done my stream posts. I could schedule it for the next day, and I can also work on the time that I want to schedule it. Let's have it pop up on June the 19th at 8 a.m. There we go. And you can see that I now have the Wonderopolis assignment. It is scheduled for tomorrow at 8 a.m. under the reading and writing topic.